and some,
Yes, sir.
which I was hoping that you would mention in your book. You didn't mention that. Maybe you can include that.
Yeah, I was
The importance of hiring a real musician to handle ensemble,
Yes, sir.
ensemble,
Oh, that's it.
to strengthen the program instead of forcing your teachers who are overworked,
Yes, sir.
right?
Another, sir, another problem there, sir, it's because there are no, from our place, there are no music graduates that is enough to cater all of the instrumental ensemble. That's one reason, sir, why. But it is a good thing that we should really have a music graduate.
And you know, plan a fun project,
Yes, sir.
encourage students to pursue music teaching career,
Yes, sir.
and hopefully they will come back and teach and share the knowledge in your part.
Yes, sir.
Siguro yun din yung
Yes, in the
recommendation.
recommendations.
Noted, ma'am.
Isa pa, what are your reasons for encouraging students to handle and master only one instrument?
My view, ma'am, is if you want to really to have more instrument, you should first master one instrument. In the case of Rondalla, there would be no problem because Banduri and Octavina
Okay, the same.
should be the same. And I pointed out because of the band.
So
Because
that is.
if you're in a trombone, if there's no flute, you're obliged to go to the flute, so it would be hard. So only one instrument. In the case of the band, so that's why we have this correlation. So it depends upon the kind of ensemble and also the practices.
Siguro wala na ako kayo.
Sana nga siguro lang.
Sure, sir. No problem.
Sir, ikaw yun.
Yeah, go ahead.
Ano eh, para sa akin, at least sa akin, nagiging clear na parang ano siya, it's a statistical study of the ensembles in the first and second districts.
This is the first in the country.